Okay.
Okay.
Ah!
That's gonna stick over there.
Can't see her ass. Good boy.
Yeah, but she was over here pulling my hair.
No, déjala quieta porque salen a llorar mucho, mami. Tú sabes eso. No te hagas la loca.
Also, I'm over
So
here
then he
kicking.
will be like pulling.
Yeah, but you're pulling off little strings. Leave me alone, okay?
Stop putting your nails in me.
So get yours out of
Where?
mine.
¿Dónde?
You don't even hurt me, so.
You just acted like this right now.
¿Ah?
I just
You
want
just
to
acted
hold
like
you.
No! Leave me alone! Gosh! I'm not your child! I want to hold your hand. Gosh!
You're trying to hold your hand, Tina. You want to hold my hand.
I want to hold your hand!
They're really best friends. They're just playing it off right now.
Yes, I want to be my friend.
No, I don't want to be your friend. Get off of me. She just want to be left alone. I don't want to hold nothing. Go hold Eileen's hand. She wants somebody to hold her hand.
Oh, your phone.
Oh, get off of my phone before I rip your shirt.
You better not sure I will rip you up.
Jimmy. Mom, just leave that alone. Jimmy.
Thank you for holding my hand.
Get off.
No, we're really holding him. Don't lift me.
I just said, get off of my phone.
Don't lift me.
Get off of my phone,
He
please.
says you should be more.
Get off of my phone, please. Get off of my phone. You don't hurt me anymore. I'm not scared of you.
Oh.
Give me.
You better be scared.
I'm not scared of you. That's the thing.
Why you flinching?
Because you flinch when I put my fist in your face, so shut up. Yeah. You want to be punching people in their mouth, right?
No, a fight is gonna break out.
Oh, you are so hard.
That's such a bully.
Give him my phone. Give him my phone. Eileen, give him my phone, please.
No, don't give it to her, Eileen. Eileen, give it to me. Eileen.
No, don't give her. Don't give her my phone.
Eileen.
Don't listen to
Don't
that.
give her my phone.
Look at
I'll
her.
pull your ears out of your ears.
Like, Jazz, get in here at any time.
Huh?
See your mom, she's like,
Oh, yeah.
Jazz.
You see her holding it like this, so I'm like, I'll hold it.
She's like,
Jazz, don't give her.
this is some bullshit.
Because
I didn't get signed up
she
for
just
this
has my
shit.
phone putting my hair and
I'll
scratching
get
it.
it from you later. Why you looking at my mother like that for?
Nobody's looking at your mother. I'm looking at your father because she's freaking recording us.
World star!